Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Durahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. The video of today is all about the CMF Buds 2. Okay, there we go. So as you can spot it guys, this is the CMF Buds 2. So we're gonna be unboxing this kind of bad boy. We check it out, we have an overview what's so special with this kind of bad boy, and it's gonna be really great. So enough of me talking, let us just get started. So guys, we're gonna be unboxing it right now. As you can spot it, this is our buds, and we're gonna just do the peel here. Whoa, that's cool. Nothing else left on the box. First thing first, you're having this kind of paperwork, which indicates that you can download this kind of Nothing X kind of app throughout the barcode, so as you can use your buds with the app connected. Secondly, you're having this kind of interchangeable kind of buds tips, which is quite impressive. So I was looking for cable, but there's actually no cable right now. So it feels like if you have a cable laying around, you can use it throughout charging. So this is our buds, as you can spot it. Really nice. Kind of like that. Really good finish and good touches, I can say. Really amazing color. Feels like graphite, and it's like charcoal graphite. And I guess this kind of button might be functional, or am I tripping? Because sometimes usually nothing introduced that kind of functional button, but overall quite not bad. So this is how the buds looks like inside. So quite impressive. And there's a button over here, I guess for resetting or for pairing, and another kind of stuff for charging it. It's a USB type C somewhere here. Really impressive throughout the design. I like the design, really cool. So we're gonna be testing this kind of bad boy and experience the sound quality, how it is, and give you guys my thoughts. So yeah. So guys, right now we're gonna be doing a sound testing throughout these kind of buds. We're gonna be connecting first throughout our smartphone using the Nothing X app, so as we can proceed throughout testing. So guys, as you can spot it, Nothing X app just found these buds too. So we're gonna be tapping on connect, and network is poor loading. Okay, tap on connect again. Sometimes, you know what I mean, it might be bug out here and there. So after connecting, our bad boy will be initiating throughout, giving us this kind of stuff. And just know that it has that kind of Google Fast Pair. So we're going to be setting up just like that, and it needs an update as you can spot it. So we're going to be updating it, making sure that everything just works fine. Buds 2 has successfully updated to firmware that number. This is the layout of the CMF Buds 2, how it is. You're having transparency, you're having noise cancellation, you're having fixed like spatial, you can have spatial audio. This is really cool. I can't wait just to put them on my ears. And another kind of stuff, I can save the preferences for that. You're having ultra bass, you're having equalizer with the D-Rack, and it's really impressive. You're having pop, so you can select between different kind of modes you prefer. And throughout here you're having low lag, so if you are a gamer, you know what I mean, you can just have a low lag for the low latency whenever you're gaming. Another kind of stuff, you're having dual connection. You can connect between your PC or your other phones or your other devices, depending on what you want. Another kind of stuff, you're having device settings. Now it has an ear tip fit test, so if you are not sure about your ear tip, you can just have a clear ear tip fit test directly throughout here. Another kind of stuff, you're having in ear detection, so it detects like, okay, right now you're just connected in my ears, you know what I mean. Really cool. And you're having find earbuds, so when I tap, you can hear there's a beep there. Really impressive. And you can know where you lost your buds. It's not quite like a speaker kind of beep, so do not lose them, I guess, you know. So another kind of stuff, that's it throughout here. Let us just test them. That's the dashboard of the CMF Nothing app. Yes sir. Whoa. So guys, you heard about the sound quality, how it is really impressive. I really like the way they are. They fit in perfectly. Now let us just do a microphone test, so as you can hear how much or how does it work on the microphone whenever you're speaking, or whenever you just want to record yourself through using this kind of bad boy, or whenever you're using a smartphone just to record on the front facing while the earbuds are on your ears while you're speaking. So let us just test that. So guys, the audio right now you're hearing is coming directly throughout the Nothing CMF Buds 2. Really quite impressive throughout the sound. Not bad at all. You can hear someone clearly, you can speak with them clearly, and it's really good because the microphone throughout here, they are picking up really decent. So I can say, yeah. So let's talk about the CMF by Nothing Buds 2 specs. Well, it has an 11mm dynamic drivers with a punchy bass and a clear sound. It has an hybrid ANC up to 48 dB. It has a 6 HD mics with 3 per earbud with a clear calls, which is really impressive. It has a battery up to 55 hours with an ANC off with the case. Per buds, it gives you 13 hours, which is quite impressive. On the fast charging side, it charges very fast. Within 10 minutes, it gives you 7.5 hours of play. Bluetooth side, it has Bluetooth version 5.4 with a stable and fast pairing. On the IP55 rating, it supports dust and water resistance. So guys, should you consider buying the CMF by Nothing Buds 2? Well, I can say yes, 100%. These kind of buds, they're really dope. I like the sound wise throughout it. I like the way it is on the spatial. I like the way it is on noise cancellation. The microphone too is actually decent, not quite bad, and I really like it. It's quite pushing out there. So throughout the scale of 10 to 0, how do we rate this kind of bad boy? To be honest, I'm gonna give them 10 out of 10. The thing about the CMF Buds 2, which I like about it, they push it up to 13 hours of playtime, which is actually really cool. So these kind of buds, they're really worth it. Just grab them out there if you're looking for it. Buds to grab, I really recommend these ones. They're really nice, they're really dope. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If you love this video today, make sure that you hit that thumbs, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that, so as you can hit around 10k subs, it will be really cool. And another kind of stuff, I'm going to be catching you guys on the next tech video. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.